Hi everyone, I'm Sandeep Ranjan. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today in this tutorial video we are going to learn about CLO3D. This is the first introduction part. So here I will be telling you about the interface, what is for what purpose. Alright, so let's get started. So first of all, we have menu option over here. As each and every software is having menu option. Here also similar way: file, edit, 3D garment, 2D pattern, saving, materials, avatar, render, display, preference, settings and help options are available. Now apart from this, we have here two set of window. First one is my 3D window and second one is 2D window, where we will be creating the patterns. And now apart from this, we have here libraries. So once you go to library, so in library you will see multiple options like garment, avatar, hanger, fabric, hardware and trims, material and stage. So now let's say if we have to go to avatar section, just we have to double click, and once you will double click you will find here the avatars which are available. And once you click on female, again you have to do double click, then you can find all different options. So go back to the previous menu, you have to double click on this two dot option. This will take you to the previous window where you were earlier. So this is your avatar, then next is your hanger, then fabric. So if we go to fabric, then here we find multiple set of fabric and it will show a preview like what type of fabric is there with the properties and other options. Next, let's say like suppose right now this is screen size, this particular window is too big library. So when we just come over here in the center, then you can make it small as per your requirement and it will change the layout accordingly. So this was about your library, because this is very important part. Now here we have plus window like add. So if you want to add something over here, you can just click over here, it will take you to that particular window and you can select the folder and you can add it accordingly. Now apart from this, we have other options, so let's explore accordingly. I hope you are clear with this part. You can also hide this particular window just by clicking over here. And next, here we have some sort of like other options like history. If you have worked earlier on some options, then it will show you all the set of things whatever you have worked earlier. So just you need to click over here. Right now there is no options because I haven't done anything yet. And then after that we have modular configurator. So these all options are there which you will be learning and using it as per your requirement. So let's hide these windows so that we can work accordingly. Then another side we have object browser, and then we have here property editor. Okay, so now let's suppose from library I'm just going to avatar section, and then after that I'm selecting here female, and then after that we can see like one avatar is available over here. You can drag and drop to this particular window, or you can just double click. It will ask you certain option after you double click. Like here it is loading, so it will load here. It will take some time for rendering for the avatar body and the pose. So once it is here, then now you can see like this window is very small, so we can hide this window from this particular option. Now let's understand about the layout. So here is your single particular to split layout. Then after that we have here, let's say you want to see only 3D window, so we have here 3D layout. And if suppose you want to work on pattern, then in this particular section you will be working on pattern. So let me show you like how you can see your pattern over here. So for that we will go back to again library section, then we will go to garment. So double click, and after that we can see like certain garments are here available. So I will just double click on this. Alright, so here we have my 3D window. We can see all the sides like everything is fine or no. And then after that we have here pattern window. So again, while working, I will hide this particular section so that we can have a proper view. So this particular now pattern section, and apart from that we have here object browser. Now let me show you some options over here. Let's say suppose here we have selected this particular section. So now my pattern is selected for that particular area. You can zoom just by scroller, zoom in and zoom out, and after that you can align it accordingly. So now my this front section is selected. If we want to change the fabric, we can change from this particular section. Alright, so now let's say we have to change the button. So we can select the button options from here, whichever is available. So multiple options are here in object browser. You can explore these options, and I will make some tutorial videos for this as well. So to understand the interface, first of all download the software from CLO3D website itself, and after that start practicing these things like how and what options are available in library. Then apart from that, history. Then next, if you will go to another section, then there is like modular configurator will have certain options. Okay, so you can hide these windows just by clicking on this particular option. And now let's say apart from that, if you have made some changes over here, so you can refresh this particular section by clicking on this particular option which is available. Alright, so for today this is enough. I will make another tutorial video as per your learning part, like how to make patterns, how to make garments, how to change the poses. So keep on learning and keep on watching. Thank you so much.